Hey guys, welcome back to the Fragrance Wardrobe. I am Michael, and today we are going to crack this one open, see what I got in my haul, and give you guys the first impressions. Okay guys, so since you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, give the video a like, comment if you have any of these fragrances, how you like them, and what your experiences are with them. I'd like to hear your feedback. Okay, so I picked up 3 Trace from Fragrancenet, and going to go and try those out. It's just a small little, haul, but try them out, see how we like them, and show you guys what I think of them. Box. Well, so far packaged better than my last Fragrance X haul that had like no padding in it, and that box had Tom Ford in it, so wasn't happy about that. Okay, I have 3. One's a gift set. Let's start with the Guerlain. Okay, this one is a discontinued fragrance from the house of Guerlain. It's made many list videos and all of that, but it's been hard to find except for eBay. Well, Fragrancenet got some in stock. It's going to be Guerlain L'Homme Ideal Cologne. So interested in checking this one out. I do have the Guerlain L'Homme Ideal. I like it. Has kind of an almond cherry note, a little bit of gourmand quality to it. So interested in checking how this one does. All right, there's your box right here. And this is just the 50 ml. I would have got 100 ml if they had them in stock, but they don't. So I'm sure this is just probably they got some extra leftovers from somewhere, and all they got in were the 50s. I am kind of, if I like it, I'm probably going to get a couple more for backups. All right, you have the logo stamped on the cap, bottom of the bottle. There's the bottle, white on the sides. Atomizer, the Guerlain logo stamped on the atomizer. And let's hit this. Nice cap. That is good. That's really good. Ooh, man, I'm gonna hit my arm. Oh man, the air around me smells really good right now. I'm liking it. Yeah, that smells really good. You do kind of pick up that creamy almond type of note in here. I do like how you don't pick up that cherry type of scent that the L'Homme Ideal has. They don't have that in here. Well, I don't think, just from initial sniffing on it. But they do have the almond. It smells really good. I like it. It seems like a pretty good scent. I see what the hype was about for like that cheapy list. I wouldn't pay too much money for it, but for cheapy, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's a good scent. I'm definitely going to be doing a full review of this at some point, although there's probably like 1 million of them on YouTube, but I'll go ahead and get mine out there. All right, next, go Paco Rabbane 1 million Lucky. Right there. Show the bottom of the box for you guys that like boxes. I have 1 million and I have 1 million Prive, and I have to say not a big fan of the original 1 million. To me, it comes across a little, I don't know, a little too juvenile for me, but you know, for younger guys, I definitely see why they like it. But for me, I do like Prive though. I like Prive a lot. So we'll see how Lucky does. I just got the 50 mil. So I have the 50 mil in the original, I have it in the Prive, and now in the Lucky. So you can check that out. There you go. So that's the back. Okay, let's give it a puff. Is there a fan on or something behind me? Because every time I shoot it, it's going that way. Let me hit my arm with it. There it is. I smell it now. It smells good. Yeah, I like it. I like how it is its own thing. And it's not like one of those redundant flankers where it's, oh, you don't need to own like this if you have the original or if you have Prive. I do like how it does its own thing. This one smells really good. Now with Lucky, I can see this being a little bit more versatile than Prive. Now yes, Prive, before I got my hands on this, it might still be my favorite one, my favorite 1 million, but Prive is definitely going to be like a fall winter scent. This one I think can go outside that box a little bit, like into the springtime. That's really nice scent. You do kind of pick up a little bit of that original 1 million DNA, but like it's down there. It's not like that's 1 million, you know, but it does smell really good. I like what they did with it. I like that a lot. This one, anybody can wear it. Whereas like the original does come across really juvenile. This one really doesn't. This one is something that I think, you know, older guys like, I guess my age, you know, 30s, 40s could wear, and it's not like, it's not juvenile or anything like that, or club kid style. So yeah, that smells good. It smells very good. I like it. Yeah, if you haven't smelled 1 million Lucky, I suggest you do so. It's good. So 1 million Lucky right there. All right. And finally, got a little gift set. Now, I did recently review Donald Trump's Success. Well, when I first bought it, I did talk to some people about it, and you know, people said it's not bad, but everybody said Empire smells a lot better than Success. So I started looking for Empire. Everybody's been sold out of Empire for months. So Fragrancenet actually did restock, and they got a gift set of the Empire stuff or whatever. So you get this nifty little bag, you get the body wash, and you get the fragrance, and it's like $25. So how can you beat that? And this feels like leather to me, not like a faux leather, and I could be wrong, but it does feel like leather. Yeah, it could be faux, but feels like the real deal. Cool logo on the bag. Let's see what we got. Here's the fragrance. Now they did not have just the bottle, so I don't know what just the bottle would be going for. If I had to guess, I'm guessing somewhere in the teens if they are selling this gift set for $25. Well, here is the bottle right there. So looks decent, and I'm guessing on the other side we have our body wash. And there's the body wash. How's this smell? Not bad. let's try out Empire. I like the atomizer on it. How they have that gold. Gives it some nice contrast to the color. There we go. This fan is messing me all up. Here, I'm gonna hit, I got some on my wrist. Hit like right here. Go to the inside. Since I'm about to shower, I can have like 15 fragrances on. It smells pretty good. It's a little, I guess, I kind of think a little more spicy, maybe a little woodier as well, a little darker than Success. So I do kind of like that aspect where Success takes a warmer weather, really like a spring or office daytime type of scent. This one kind of darkens it up. You know, you could probably wear this in the cooler weather or in the evenings, and it smells pretty decent. Yeah, picking up some spices in there, picking up some woody notes. So yeah, it's not bad. I'll have to spend a little bit of time with it, and then we'll get a full review on the channel at some point. But all in all, first impression, not bad. I'll wear it, try it out. So, all right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell for notifications, give the video a like, and if you have any of these and have any experience with them, drop it in the comments. I'd like to hear your experiences with these, and I will catch you guys with the next video. Thanks for watching.